Oba homa no so a na waka wasem. Nansa na no ensem bebre na wa say ye bobo ne ye fa ho adwene na ye ka ho asem. The Vice President Professor Ade Akye hails President Mohammed's amnesty for 998 inmates as a testament of compassion and the power of second chances. She was speaking at the graduation parade of prison officers cadet corps. Cadet corps. TMU. Omapani John Mama say ordinary no this say Professor Nana Jane Opoku say a prison for mako ahankron ade okron ngotwe na na be o man nye 1000 da bia 980 omutu no last two no ya no me hwamu a enso omuso Mom say ye jai prison for 998 22 no man nye 1000 da bia 998 first batch be oba 982 and away me so anya 998 Mom say ye ti go for 2 bi so 2 bi akabunya 1000 no ye je Professor Nana Jane Opoku
the president's recent amnesty for 998 inmates is a powerful statement of mercy and a reminder that true justice requires compassion and a belief in second chances. His act also forms part of our broader effort to decongest our facilities, enhance humane conditions, and uphold the spirit of correctionals.
Okay. Kwabra mi ta kan don welcome no. Ada no welcome. Na no oba wo se adokotafo. Ye do omu kongrase district ma posti wo mo. Enya se metan wo mo. Me pese wo mo koye na. Afi wo mo de krata branch doctor ba kokora nsi wo. And was say, hey, me mama 1 week. Obi anko.
Friday. And Upper East are recording 0 as at Friday. We will give them additional 1 week to appeal to them to report to their various facilities where they have been posted. After which we will do what we call validation. Unfortunately, there's no way we are going to change anything here. Unfortunately. And so we will give them 1 more week to report to their various health facilities. Whilst we are also engaging the stakeholders in their respective districts, regional ministers, members of parliament, DCs, chiefs, to facilitate their stay in their district to be able to do their best. We have started that myself, engaging them.
Okay. And you was also my mom na watch to hear table na. Ashanti region, I have for 21 ne call ye. 8 and echo 13 koi. Ashanti region. Also report to 8. Ashanti region 33 na also omuko 25 ko 8 na Ashanti region there's all by ye. Bono 29 and yes omunko 18 koi. Bono East 18 koi 27 ya do koi. Central 34 20 ko aka 14 Eastern 36 and also omuko 23 ko 13 aka Greater Accra ya the 20 ne ko 16 ko na Greater Accra de o ko na 4 no am say bi omo yare omaka traffic omo duru ho dadada Northern region ya duru ho 32 7 pen ne ko 25 from Koi. Northeast 0 19 0 OT 21 Bakupe Emson Wofrio a one water dada 20 anko Savannah 19 a Savannah fire there 7 ko 12 Upper East 35 0 35 a report. Upper West 0 32 nenko 32 nkoi. Voter 37 15 kwaka 22. Western 37 14 kwaka 23. Western North 31 mienu pen a report. Omoya 305 and a report out of 400 there be 463 and 158 pen a report. 305 doctors are yet to report. Nah, I don't know kwamna minta kando so sere wo mo a omunko. Na nkurase for no ne nkrom ketwam for no. Wo mo so hia doctor for kama. Doctors and ye ahanu no. Obo e bia wo nyanya adan. Obi on report ya wo nya adan. E na ye nye se o mu nyina ya pe dan ma o mo. Tonse kwamna minta kando esre chiefs, regional ministers, MCs, MMDC so omumwa wo facilitate o mu stay. And you know there could be more than just not reporting. There could be other reasons. We also know that about Transport Minister. Are you happy? You sit here and say Ato is forcing. Ato is killing your ministries. Patrick Boama fires on the floor during debates on the sector estimates. You say Ato forcing. Just say, wow, we are just the channel. I'm saying, for your tackle. Obekanda there on first canning ko. Hey, and this is for the corner to be out there.
2025. Let me read it to you, Mr. Speaker. That the committee noted that by September 2025, the Ministry of Transport had received 43 million cedis out of its approved CAPEX allocation of 165 million. And you sit here and say Ato is forcing. Forcing what? Oh, I'm coming. You'll read further. Representing a release rate of approximately 26%. 26%. And you sit here and say, oh, they are Sompa and Abu. Is this a Sompa Panaba? 26% release. Nikpe, Honorable Nikpe, are you happy with 26% release? Okay. Mr. Speaker.
Obakai Brevi, Omudi Gu, a Kenoforiata so. Sir, why ya pamping or Tissicano so, and a treasury bills, bonds. Now she can't call a whole year. Did you say, as a swako in India? Sassam now, if you want to Kenoforiata, Moon Crown with them. Send in near a state housing company or have virus. And I send so bad no unico ESL or say how dare send so say one money sana or ye a board member did not call another board. And one no a whole 2 years now send so was starved of funds. It's the amount we release kakra ye keta aseme si hono. See defense now. Okuje tomu strike here no ansa no mo tidal waves ansa no mo commands and sika kakra. At a point in time that ministry no was funded by state housing company. Personal issues unkwa. Hey, nyame anim ni atwe. You are forcing, but you are not forcing in our pocket. Asamba kwa ameka che ira to force ne say ye kodi bronya onya sika kakra gum yaw awuchire ni kronum so sika so nim. That is the reality o ana ya ko sika ne bia bedi ho azante awuchire ni kronum say awuchire, but the purchasing power is also not in my pocket. Why? Teacher for Sikano.
Maybe sir
Abba.
You saw Makasumu to November and the 3rd December.
Ah, teacher for Suyo Musuya, no Musikanaba.
Maybe
there was an allowance that was supposed to be given them too.
I know, teacher for a form for fraud. Yes, no.
Ah, teacher there for November Musikan Bebano. Sir, you didn't promise you more. Deputy no finance and a Haruna Subesha or Mobo. Pacho nim. We a teacher near Nekawasem. se musika na ba mu ehunu
Musa ba bi wa timba no mo
ana se ba wo mi an won kan che say ye wo dia
Wokoda
bonton no de
kada nyenye ne koda anka ne bi na ba mo ma.
Let's preserve the unity, peace and religious tolerance in Ghana. Haruna Drisu okay say we wo hen ye tie no
ensuring and upholding teachers in ensuring and upholding discipline in our schools and at home. There is a raging debate in Ghana today on rights and religious practices in our various educational institutions. Let me use this opportunity to appeal to the leadership of the Church of Ghana and the leadership of the Muslim leadership of Ghana that let us preserve the unity, the peace, the religious coexistence and religious tolerance of our country. On my visit here, and noting and knowing that when you are in Kwao, you know that businesses and entrepreneurship, you are at its best and excellence.
I don't know a special celebration to Inquasco, Inquatia Senior High, Inquasco. Also now more MP wo Brian Champon. Yeah, no, ever. Public dialogue on fighting terrorism. Ghana faces potential exploitation by extremist groups, citing over 2 million small arms, porous borders, and rising corruption upon Kroma and our Kasa.
Our borders. However, these are not void of challenges. Our analysts are warning that Ghana risks becoming a conduit for extremism and its-related networks operating across West Africa. The circulation of over 2 million small arms pieces in Ghana, our porous land borders, migration pressures, and corruption all create vulnerabilities that extremist groups may exploit.
That's a mina say, Katazisha proye, a tune getting a idea to say, Ewo Memu, any a quine California, quine Bugra, ye manimono, and my quine, Emma. One hour we are for only 1 hour to pay a gugu, maybe I hear from terrorists, no, one more to me, I can't be empty. World AIDS Day 2025. Now, Ghana is here, Nipa HIV record 334,721. Now, 68% a ma. Now, sounds on a bay. Because women are receivers. They are the residual. The men are the givers. And you know, Obana Bema share the possibilities of Bema with HIV, the Bema Obano, 99.9. Obama ni Oba share no Oba with HIV. Possibility, no. Some 0 point something. Unless say, there is something called a bruise and a cut a moja bibe free mwamba. Eti mema no. Condom use no mso munshi. Condom me. PRC announces 9.8% increase in electricity tariff. Yewo 15.92 in water. January 2026. Na mwa deba se na muye. But me and Fabi am January, I had the sick na PRC day. Yow, what kind of video no? I content next week in January. Yeah, Grace Muma miss that video no Samoa. It's next week say January. January number 2 electricity. Any water. And PRC day.
I got that Zagro.
What have you? Ade no hello. Enye di paneti wono. Asante. Enye di paneti o PRC.
Omadie no. I appear chassis. Oh.
What be that?
Son of your money, man.
Ah, Santi.
Asante
I mean, they make
I think my first quarter no. Match what baby.
No, obedient.
I don't just say now human face menu.
January
over to electricity water.
Well, about can you cry December? Who
did the other January baby?
December
Well, Friday.
January is a long
one. If you are not too for that.
If you are done so cry.
Now Monday die kada.
If you are done cry 1 20 pan for no pa. About 5 and you
Friday. And a 5 o'clock ko die ka. Friday.
Ko die ka
Friday. By convention. We have lived with it.
Friday no 1 2 for no pa.
Friday 5 o'clock.
Friday 5 p.m.
Friday no cry and 2 for.
And into
Friday,
if Friday now
Friday go to before.
Share.
What feel?
What be arrangement am again
about Monday? If you are done to Ade Akye Abia ni bia ye naika. We are why won't feel.
David.
Okron kuto no mo. Say the member say dido na ye mre won kron kuto mu.
Ah dey.
En Sompa. And the question krom what is a man e be ko. Ayara wusam o man.
No ti kro kitu anim no. As I dey no dey gina dey.
And je nsan ko ade ji ani.
Dey say only wa dey. Omo aboa ma omo yinom so ni omo na o.
Ah, say no.
Ni hu kra bon.
Ah dey.
Te ma na jeja wo ba.
Say say uti mu nsan na so ya bodam o.
Na
ni mo.
Ah na onim say
so kasa sa oto no.
Oh, ensa ye dambo. Unu sampia e fa wa dwiri mo. Obu onam kwa wo abodam ya ensa. Bebre. Wo mo dam so. All right. And some baby now Deputy Communication Mr. Mohammed Adams Sugbaru declares government has resolved all mobile network challenges through the allocation of additional spectrum to MTN and Telecom. Masa, we are sure. We are sure. Still, I said that's who. So I didn't know bufu chambi. Only a woman did go on your Santi didn't come out for better. Meanwhile, it's your turn so that too.
Oh yes.
Mami Yamona, Ubi Ante Hombi. Mami Sass free way out.
Akota me common baby me and son say me interest.
And then we just at time.
30 seconds on PURC Abia. Akota mentiase o. Say mose dollar 10 cedis. Inflation atia ba ma SN 8 point something was at the end there. Akota it is a dollar 10 cedis. Inflation nam 8 cedis. E dey bio na PURC. E dey be gina so aka kire Ghana for so
e niema e ma omo so e dey ka e dey complete increment $1.
Yes, dollar rate.
Inflation. Sanema we mienu no aban na timi ama to the barest minimum. Eti their reasoning for increment no
for increment in January na konta e ye de ade a PURC for no e me kire sa ade no mo nkire se dey e bia going forward omo fa dollar no na inflation no ahwan enye calculations ni bi o enu nti no omo ye sa ade we a kire ye because menti sa omo increment we no a omo de aba na se say maybe a yaba bedri any finance minister no wonya dollar no nko gina ne 20 cedis ne dollar no enya yibia so bia ma so akonta say ye ma dollar no ne economic gains ni wan we nyina esisi ye na say still and who abai no so no akota wo na wudi ka to ade mo ne ye kodwom na say ma no muti dwom no mo no entete wo ne ma so adan we are complaining akota abai wo ani ka entete wo ne ma so na wo kona private person na to ni die ma na say onte ne die so wo so omom ene nipa bonefo a omom pa abai ne ye no mo ntete wo ne ma so meanwhile so abai no light bill no water bill ya jijema so we see economically ya gaining na se ne ma ekoya ade we ya PURC fo aye so omoto light bill no water bill musabi eni hwehe akonta ma me fe no mpem ho no na me nko honorable Patrick Yabo ama akonta mesre say going forward honorable Patrick Yabo ama MP for is it Okankwe Central Okankwe Central akonta omeyehu ni more omeyehu ni activeness no more or parliament especially especially when a base bia omu discuss enema about omaino yenkan koni empumtuo ene niema bia nipa pinu ano ebe ne politics pia honorable Patrick Yabo ama emi me kai say recently roads issues be by
express road
the express road no okofa nkomo bi by and it was very interesting oponchi holes ebie nkomo nimu ma ye bete na se yie enra hwenkomo ya honorable Patrick Yaboama ekupeja de ba ye say transport ministry and akota sankomo ya ye di nyina transport ministry akota se petrol ya tesomeboa but be sine yante transport minister nenka se o engage your friend say stakeholders that trotron taxi ni GPRT for no na bia
oto one wagene salary
eno ane se wagene salary sa na yesi we rose minister
transport minister wa hunu kra so oba switch kra pa ya friend say
Joseph Nikpe o said
Nikpe
yes enti media mesra no Patrick Yaboama since say
Nikpe
obi pass bia
ya kawasa
enti media akota me so no Patrick Yaboama
say me pass so no hene konya asem no
me pass I can say sorry no it's media akota mesro no Patrick Yaboama say since he is a member of the senior can say members of the house no
yeah grace just check quickly there's a video on it on concerning January
okay
yampa o dey share teaser pa Yaboama can January be one seven ya manu si na fe me ko
akota me mesro no Patrick Yaboama say
omo ye hu no dodo
no omo ye hu ne more
woni ma de
parliamentary engagement ne
oh say ye wo book ho ni wo fie nyansa
it's true
when you combine
yes
if you entity no any book kasa to wa na ehumi o
mo
obo otimi kasa parliament uju so akasa boom obe kasa gbagbagba so unti shi on kasa parliament
yes
edom kase o kuma ayedede da okay yentie
na dwumihwe TV January asema agwete wakofa be no mihu ade bi mi MC bi no na dwumihwe TV ye ena mi ko usakota say 31st January no ebesi Friday ejire ke say ye January bosumi aketwa na beba February o
yaw tib da bi men kasa
akota January mo
utere ka traw no yaw mami kasa traw
akota ye bibi o
ude wanye bibi
ye bibi na
aja ko wa tio mo me twitwa mo ne me woman ne aja ko de ne da ho last 2 weeks en koma odi wa ha no en se ba ke kai o de kasa aja ko se mo mi wa ha o tio en se ma mami o ba no ka gu ha no Friday de beba no atie bi se Friday no okode be hampa okokro be tie osunyan o de kasa that affair why is speechless
that's a blackmail yabam
blackmail they know the asante but you can't call it blackmail
to me kasa bi mo
yego
boss ba we that's do pay na ye cha tie for ahwefo me pese me hwe pi wa CD no
ko hwe ne hia pa
no kwasem ne say yisika no omo ogige no me pese me kasa aso omo ogige no kwa omo mfa nya hwe because say omo ogige no omo de ye bribia. Let's ask ourselves this simple question say yetumi anya nsu ama na flow where taps no mu by 1 week consistent and tie bibia NC ya bibia emayana. Here is the case say more the increment in the bar consumers and any customers no you need any other option than to pay than to adjust ourselves and pay. You tuaka wie nsuo no said there was ye enjoy no ye nya ne sa sensuo no twa sensuo no te na se ema mo meka bibia nkyere yen se ebia pipe bi ena ebia asai wa ha ana se apai wa ha ana wait to say sika na ye tua no menya sure se Ghana for ye diso de sa ye nya sa services now mo render de ma ye nya ne sa. But each and every day, every time I increment, but no maba, brofo we see, no more kagu ho. Omo kagu ha. Ye just say we don't question anything. Na yensu ye je to me etua. But then so wo ko drufie, wa pon ko drufie na jo a wo hia nsuo, e de aye ade ahomachi wo hia nsuo, e de aye ade no. Na to wo ne wonyame.
agye wasa so nsuo asi ho nsuo abosome uyusuo wanyusuo still bill beba increment na aba no nso ebe affect wo betua ka no still wo betua no eduru ahomache eduru time a wo hia nsuo pa na wonya bi agye se
no so wasasi ho no yaw emo na e friend na se bi aka aturu
yes
cha 3 days we ko no wo mu dance
yes
obidi na obo na to say
yes agye se wasan fa ka to kaso wasan fa koto eye barren foforo ahodo de aba besi wo asa fele ade yesi em stress yesi em brand ye free sa abura ya ye twe na bia ye cop pipe ni akwa akosoa sebe ya ye ni aye de be flu nti time bia ohia nsu no na won saka but here we are afi yensan hwe electricity so
9.8 increase.
Yes, so sometimes it makes no sense when they bring this increment.
Okay, so now Asante ya one ejako unim said there is a quarterly adjustment.
Yes.
No standard because of the IMF conditionality no entity increment we enka ho. What it means is say March what it means is say either say December we last quarter no omutumu October it's January if we are not careful the quarterly increment will come together with this
akota increment we PLC phone timi meka nche say eye kantia o because mo de 1 cedi ato ye petrol so
emi ye tia
somebody kwa kotia
etie be ya
e de na amasa ntumu we eba
eti ajako wie na Asante brem na afi ye pjem
afi so ye hwe electricity the same cheso e ho kra de bon kan kra ye doom line no free so se wo fridge na be say yo wo TV na be say yo wo de na esisu be say wo mo mfa ho wo mu wi a wo masa pe ka de amount e ho repairs a de be ko ne kobra ho nsensem ne nkomo ahudo bebire che say yemfa ye ho Ghana for de yemfa ye ho sika na ombeje afiri ye ho no ene hia wo
eno a Asante
unim increment the main I say 1 almost 3 months this year no salary increments are about 9%. And the entire abino at this salary increment call 9% when a labor organizations ensure they call 9%. Omo fukana won't even complain because yeah now much say increment it has something to do with inflation. The inflation about 8 next about the call 9. In some jurisdictions, America and other countries, that's how they go by increment. And they say, I buy one my 4 jet to 9%. Let's say PRC for one consumer, but you say
9.8.
And 9%. That's my grants of argument.
That is a SARS Sikara by the mouth.
Definitely. The other way around.
Or the electricity.
So, my point is, I can be 2%.
The private sector, they are mobile.
And can be 2%, any 3%.
Private sector increment in what
I say.
Are I tripartite no mo nkobiana
say omo so the ebokobia wo de any minimum wage no say 21 ho na wo
minimum wage pa
Asante does it reflect
19 point something
and say 21
the threshold United Nations threshold 33 cities
United for no
at least at least say obia ye kasa wo yo hiani I fancy one you crown 33 cities.
There's a dollar equivalent. No,
33 cities. Oh, yeah, 19. Yeah, the poverty no. You gracia, you who tiko.
And I say, Omanhene say about 90% of Ghanaian workers, they are not being paid under this. Few of them a year under 21. Extremely. And most of them are paid more than that.
What the one mem also do school.
And to me point in say
one mem
I was saying PRC for no. And yet 2%, not 3%. Now the main thing o ma se kwan say. Unu say PRC for nko no person we has a free 300 and 400 any other day. Ade a wo unu say yem fama no head akopagam 150%
ECG
200-300% near the Anantia
or the 100 ba obenya 2
and in the way
300 ba wanya 9
on my media no pay and pay dem me pay honorable commandment a candle call no
doctors
hwe ye wa Ghana police service ye wa Ghana armed forces ye do police ni ekura bi ase a onko ade na monko a de monko
doctors no special
no obeka say that about say that about dia ko edwo papa hospital I see crime. No crime, me can't change power because Sabi command mental can or a minister no or mine or no Sabio or Yare cry now for what about common on it. Oh, Sumaye Sabi any okrakasi me, edu de na wo sika nkwan de obet ma frɛ Dr. Biam na bo we no mo kra be hyew. Omo mo ko kronkitu mu nso e. Enkronkitu mu e na omo hia amwa. Enka emergency case ba mo na mbare resolve ko ansa na nka bro abakro case mi de no pɛ yan kan bibi yan fichi ya no pan kan bibi nja doctor for omunko
no omunko nya di pan che
doctor fi abrochire e ba o ma we se mu omunya doctors wo ko na nu se sa na nka be ye
omusin omunko do omunko siremo
ade na omuye sa because Ghana has spent on your training ade na omunko nurse ni be na ade ko akura bi so be ka so wonko ana say when teachers obi akọ intended na omunko. And then Ghana Health Service and the Ghana Medical Association, they should come and even issue a statement by now. No one can't show members. So one can't go Juma.
No, I'm Franco to Togo. I'm to Ghana.
I
agree with you.
No, the upper east 0. Some part 0. Timon
upper west 0. North east 0.
Ade. And you know, Omunya Ghana for. No one did Namukoye. Oko udi police ni kwa be transfer omko ni
obi adi 10 years e wa kra bi ase o pre transfer kra
ya fama no omunya Ghana for adwuma for omunya man kwa kra so man kwa kire made
I agree with you abusan for ye na ne ye ho komra na ye ba ye de aka no so abeto am so santi just all take you straight up okay